Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's lesson, I will show you how to convert the units of time. So let's get started. So from the table, we have symbol and word. So yung S na symbol stands for second. So kapag plural, that is seconds. Okay? And then for min, so that is minute. Of course, kapag plural form, minutes. And for H, that stands for R or R's kapag plural form. And D naman ay day or days. And then WK, that stands for week. So kapag plural form, weeks. No? Okay. So we have here the conversion of time. So for every 1 minute, we all know that that is equal to 60 seconds. And for 1 hour, that is equal to 60 minutes. And for 1 day, that is equal to 24 hours. And for 1 week, that is equal to 7 days. And for us to fully understand this concept, let's answer the following examples. Convert the following. Number 1, 10 minutes to seconds. And we all know that for every 1 minute, so this is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? And then, pwede na tayo mag-convert. So, 10 minutes. So, that is from the given times. Of course, yung ating conversion factor dito, dapat yung ating minute ay nasa denominator. So, likewise, yung 60 seconds should be placed sa ating numerator. So, 60 seconds divided by 1 minute. Okay? And then, dito guys, pwede tayo mag-cancel out yung ating minute, yung same unit. Ika-cancel out natin yan. And then, i-multiply natin si 10 times 60. So, that gives us 600. Divided by 1, 600 pa rin naman. So, therefore, yung 10 minutes ay equivalent to 600 seconds. Gets? Or, pwede naman tayong hindi na gumamit ng gantong cancellation method. Pwede naman tayo mag-multiply since we all know that for every 1 minute, that is equivalent to 60 seconds. No? So, pwede rin namang 10 times 60. So, that gives us 600. Okay? So, syempre, yung minutes to a desired unit which is seconds. So, do not forget the unit. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, now, moving on sa next example. So, we have here 9 days, 2 hours. Okay? So, we'll know that for every 1 day, meron tayong 24 hours. Tama? Okay. And then, from the given, so 9 days, ayan, and then times, pwede natin gamitin yung symbol instead of word. So, 9 days times 24 hours, very good. Dapat nasa taas yun. Divided by 1 day. Naintindihan? Okay. Dito, pwede tayo mag-cancel out yung days, no? Ayan. Same unit yan. So, 9 times 24 divided by 1. So, this is actually equal to 216 hours, of course. So, therefore, ang 9 days ay equivalent to 216 hours. Naintindihan? Okay, now, let's move on sa number 3 example. Convert 336 hours to week or weeks, no? So, dito, wala tayong direct conversion. So, kumbaga, isa-isay natin yan. And we all know that for every 1 day, meron tayong 24 hours. Right? So, ganito muna yung ating conversion. And then, we have the given 336 hours times, of course, 1 day. Dapat nasa numerator yan. Divided by 24 hours. Para makancel out natin yung ating unit na hours, no? Dapat isa sa numerator at isa sa denominator. Gets? Okay, so that's the time na pwede tayo mag-cancel out, which is hours, no? And then, 336 times 1. So, meron tayong 300, of course, 36, no? Divided by 24. And that is day, right? Okay. 336 divided by 24. So, we have 14 days. Tama? Okay. It's not yet done. Pinapa-convert sa atin yung 336 hours to week or weeks. Since meron tayong 14 days dyan, so, i-convert naman natin yon, right, into week or weeks, no? And alam naman natin na ang 14 days ay equivalent to 2 weeks, right? So, let's have the formal solution. So, 1 week equals 7 days. Okay? And then, since we have 14 days, kukunin natin yon. And then, i-multiply natin sa ating conversion factor dito. Since 1 week is equal to 7 days, so therefore, ang ating nasa numerator is 1 week. At sa denominator naman ay 7 days. And then, we gonna cancel the same unit. 1 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. Okay, yung same unit natin. And then, 14 times 1, of course, that is equal to 14 divided by 7. Do not forget the unit for week, no? And then, 14 divided by 7, that is 2. So, therefore, we have 2 weeks. Okay, so the answer is 2 weeks. So, 336 hours to week, ibig sabihin, ang 336 hours ay equivalent to 2 weeks. Gets? Okay. So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.